this video I'm going to show how to use the Google Translator feature, one of my favorite features, and this will definitely come in handy. And so what you want to do is you want to activate the assistant by saying, "Hey G, be my translator," or you can hit that little button in the middle of the three buttons on the bottom of your screen and just ask it that way. And once you activate it, it's going to ask you what language you want to translate to, and then you select the language, and then you should be all set. So let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens.
Got it. What language do you want translated?
Okay, so now you should be able to just tap the little microphone button, and you should be able to translate whatever you say to the language that you selected. So let's give it a shot. So you're at a restaurant and you're trying to order, you're trying to find the bathroom or something like that, or see the menu. So let's give it a shot.
Posso ver o menu, por favor? Quero a água e a manteiga de amendoim, por favor. Faça aquela manteiga de amendoim extra grande, por favor.
And that should be it.